Turkey's naval aviation has achieved a significant milestone in modernizing its fleet with the successful completion of historic takeoff and landing tests for the Bayraktar TB3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, from the deck of the TCG Anadolu, the future drone carrier. This demonstration marks a pivotal moment in expanding the Turkish Navy's capabilities for regional and global operations. Bayraktar TB3 is a key player in unmanned aviation. It also opens a new chapter in naval aviation history. Bayraktar TB3 test has demonstrated its readiness to play a pivotal role in integrating unmanned systems into the modern Turkish fleet. Bayraktar TB3 is specifically designed for short takeoffs and landings from space-constrained vessels. One of Bayraktar TB3's standout features is its network-centric warfare capability. Do not skip the video, detailed information is ahead. On the 19th of November, the Bayraktar TB3 PT2, having already passed sea trials, successfully launched from the TCG Anadolu's 12-degree inclined ramp. The test flight, conducted in the strategically critical area where the Aegean Sea meets the Mediterranean, lasted 46 minutes and concluded with a precise landing on the same short runway. Remarkably, the system did not require any landing support equipment, highlighting the innovative design and adaptability of the TB3. This success not only establishes Bayraktar TB3 as a key player in unmanned aviation but also opens a new chapter in naval aviation history. The first ramp trials with the Bayraktar TB3 began on the 1st of June, 2024, as part of a program conducted in Takeoff and Baker's Flight Training and Test Center in Kazan, Iran. The Kazan runway was specially constructed to replicate the conditions of the TCG Anadolu's deck, including the same 12-degree inclined ramp. With the successful execution of the test program, Bayraktar TB3 has demonstrated its readiness to play a pivotal role in integrating unmanned systems into the modern Turkish fleet. This advancement enhances the Turkish Navy's ability to project power over long distances, conduct air support operations at sea, and perform reconnaissance in denied access areas. It provides a strategic advantage for a nation situated at the crossroads of three critical regions: the Mediterranean, Aegean, and Black Seas, and underscores Turkey's ambition to solidify its leading position in unmanned systems both on land and at sea. Bayraktar TB3 is specifically designed for short takeoffs and landings from space-constrained vessels such as the future drone carrier TCG Anadolu. This advanced UCAV is an evolution of the proven Bayraktar TB2, with numerous enhancements making it highly adaptable for maritime operations. Featuring an extended wingspan and reinforced structure, the TB3 is optimized for longer endurance and seamless integration with complex onboard ship systems. With a length of approximately 8.35 meters and a wingspan of 14 meters, Bayraktar TB3 is engineered to operate under various climatic conditions, including harsh maritime environments. Its maximum takeoff weight, MTO, reaches up to 1,450 kilograms, enabling it to carry a diverse arsenal of weapons and systems. It is powered by a TEI-produced engine, most commonly the PD-170 model, delivering optimal performance for extended missions with low fuel consumption. The engine supports a cruising speed of 130 to 150 km forward/h and a top speed exceeding 200 km per hour while ensuring high fuel efficiency. Bayraktar TB3 is equipped with advanced avionics and sensor technologies. Its primary surveillance system includes an electro-optical forward/infrared (EO forward/IR) sensor with high resolution, a laser rangefinder, and a designator. Among the most commonly used modules is the ASIL SAN-CATS system, providing accurate target identification over long distances even in adverse conditions. The TB3 also features signals intelligence and electronic warfare capabilities, SIGINT forward/ELINT, enabling interception and analysis of communications and radar signals in its operational area. The TB3's payload capacity reaches up to 280 kilograms, accommodating the integration of precision-guided munitions such as the MAM-L and MAM-C, developed by Roketsan. These laser-guided munitions, proven in real combat scenarios, are highly effective against armored and fortified targets. The TB3 can also deploy longer-range munitions, including new designs like cruise gun and miniature cruise missiles, extending its operational reach and strike capabilities. One of Bayraktar TB3's standout features is its network-centric warfare capability. With encrypted communication modules and SATCOM integration, the drone can operate beyond the line of sight, BLOS, enabling coordination with other drones, ships, and command centers. Additionally, the TB3 is designed for semi-autonomous and fully autonomous modes, reducing the need for active human intervention and improving operational efficiency. Thanks for watching.